Pros and cons of west-facing house. Dear friends, the orientation of a home refers to the direction it faces, and this plays a crucial role in determining the amount of natural light, heat gain, and ventilation it receives throughout the day. Are you considering buying a house and wondering if a west-facing property is the right choice for you? The analysis of west-facing homes below will give you a fair understanding if you should go with west-facing home orientation or not. The advantages of a west-facing home. While west-facing homes may not be the conventional choice, they offer several benefits that might appeal to certain homeowners. Afternoon and evening sunlight. If you work during the day or enjoy spending evenings at home, a west-facing property can provide ample natural light and warmth during the latter part of the day. Passive heating in cooler climates. In areas with cooler winters, the afternoon sun can help warm up your living spaces, potentially reducing your heating costs. Backyard enjoyment. With the backyard facing west, you can soak up the afternoon sun and make the most of your outdoor living areas during the warmer months. Stunning sunset views. If you appreciate the beauty of sunsets, a west-facing home offers you a front row seat to the mesmerizing daily spectacle. The potential drawbacks of a west-facing home. Excessive heat gain. During the hottest part of the day, west-facing homes can experience significant heat gain, leading to increased cooling costs and discomfort, especially in warmer climates. Without proper shading or insulation, this can make your living spaces uncomfortably warm. Glare and fading. The intense afternoon sun can cause glare issues, making it challenging to enjoy your living areas or work comfortably. Additionally, prolonged sun exposure can lead to fading of furniture, carpets, and curtains over time. Limited morning sunlight. If you're an early riser or prefer natural light in the morning, a west-facing home may not be the ideal choice, as the front of the house will receive minimal direct sunlight during the early hours. Challenging landscaping. Maintaining a garden or landscaping in the front of a west-facing home can be tricky, as the intense sunlight and heat may require additional attention and care. Energy costs. Cooling your home during hot afternoons can drive up energy bills. To counteract this, you may need to invest in energy-efficient insulation, windows, and HVAC systems. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.